Today I'm gonna start off this video doing something very different. I'm gonna be doing a little cash stuffing binder segment to open up today's video. Some of you may recognize this little bag. I did share it in my show and tell video not too long ago. Inside of this bag I have my cash stuffing binder. For those of you who are wondering, it is a new trending way on how to prioritize your spendings and organize your cash basically. With that in mind, it was very new to me and I came across Brenda's channel and I was intrigued. And the more I watched it, I learned how she utilized it and I realized there are so many ways that you can do it. I'm gonna share with you how I am gonna utilize this cash stuffing binder. I wanted to do this cute little setup and I was having the most difficult time and I'm cracking up to myself because I was really trying to get extra. I went ahead and even lit a candle. By the way, shout out to Arissa. Thank you so much for my Mother's Day candle. I even set up my crystals. I wanted to be all cutesy. But what I realized was when I lit the candle, the flame was making my camera go in and out of focus and it kept dimming and brightening, dimming and brightening. So it was driving me nuts. I had to re-record 3 times. So I said, forget it. I blew out the candle and I'm gonna just put it on the side as decoration and move along with the video. All right, so I'm gonna go and open up my bag here. It has 2 things. The first one is my little coin bag, which I will explain in a little bit. The second item I have is, of course, the holographic binder, the beauty herself. Thanks to Brenda, she got me hooked. In my binder, I have folders in here or envelopes, whatever you want to call them, where they organize the cash. I choose not to carry a lot of cash on me, period. I always go and deposit it in the bank. But of course, we have those holidays and birthdays, and between my husband, my kids, and I, we do have cash on hand. And sometimes, we don't get to go to the bank that often. So organizing it in this way and then bringing it off to the bank later seems to work best. I'm just going to share with you what I decided on how to utilize this whole system. So when you open up the binder, you have these folders here. And depending on what you decide that you want to save on is totally up to you. For me, I wanted to do family activities, whether it's movies or going to Fun Factory or anything. Put a little bit of cash in here for those activities. I have date night for my husband and I even add gift cards if I have gift cards as well. So we have a gift card for a restaurant that I put in there. Then this folder here is for gifts. So birthdays, Christmas, whatever it is. And let me tell you, June is probably one of the busier months for me because we have 3 birthdays plus Father's Day in a span of like a week and a half. So it's gonna be a busy one. Some of this money will help for sure. And then I have children's school funds. So my kids are officially on summer break, but once school rolls back in, I swear every other week they come back with a form for t-shirt order or field trips or fundraisers, whatever it is. So at least I'll have some cash for those. Emergency fund, oh yeah, I also wish this one was filled more too because our windshield just cracked and now we have to pay to repair it. So having an emergency fund, I think, is so necessary. Next, I have our children's savings and our main savings. I emptied it out because I am going to be taking it to the bank right after I film this video. So we're going to start fresh with that. And then the last folder I'm going to show you is a savings challenge. And with that, I wanted to share with you, shout out to Brenda again. She created these savings challenges. There's a $500, $600, and $3,000 savings challenge, and she breaks it down into weeks. And you basically deposit whatever money is listed, and by the end of the whole challenge, you'll save up that certain amount. And I want to start one today. I'm going to start off with a $500 savings challenge. And so if you email her, she will be more than happy to email this over. You can print it from home. So you just fold it in half. And as you can see here, for week 1, you deposit $20, which I'm gonna do right now. I did put $20 on the side. And then I'm gonna just slip this in like a folder. And I'm gonna go and check it off that I added my $20. And then I'm just gonna put this into my little savings challenge folder. Yay, I finally started it. I always watch Brenda do it and I was interested. Another thing I wanted to share with you on how I utilize this binder is I use it pretty much like my kids' wallets. I do not trust them holding a wallet on their own, so I take care of it for them. I make sure I put money on the side for them to save, and then of course I'll have a little bit for them to spend. It was Shaylin's birthday back in April, so she wanted to spend some of her birthday money, which is in here, and then Peyton had a little bit of leftover money from his birthday that he wanted to spend. So all I did was remove it from this binder and I put this in my bag as like their wallet. We're pretty much done shopping and they have some leftover money. I gave them the option if they want to put it in the savings or they want to hold on to it to shop a little bit more. She wanted to do a little bit of online shopping, so I'm gonna save her cash for that. And what we're gonna do is basically I charge it and then I get reimbursed by her cash. Or if we go to the store and she finds something, she can just pay for it straight up with cash as well. I like to collect the coins. I don't want this folder to be loaded with coins, so then I'm gonna put it in my little coin bag here. Once they accumulate, I'll roll them up and then we'll go to my kids' bank account. And then for Peyton, he also has some coins. So again, I labeled these as their spending money. So Peyton spending, Shaylin spending. So this coin, I do not want it accumulating in there. And I also have their gift cards back here as well. So they get gift cards for birthdays or what have you. It's kind of a nice way for me to keep track of how they're spending and how much they are spending. Okay. So I'm gonna go and add their folder in here. All right, I'm gonna go and close this up. I'm gonna set this off to the side. Now for the true reason why I actually made this video. I'm gonna open up my package, which is from a giveaway that I won through Budget with Brends. She partnered up with Budget with Ali and I was able to select my design of folders. So she makes cute little, basically she makes these. She has a little small business where she custom makes really cute envelopes. Now these are the ones I just bought off Amazon, but after seeing all of their cute envelopes, I wanted in on it too. So I was so excited and I never opened it, I waited. It's June 1st. Ali and Brenda, if you're watching this, yeah, it's been long. It's been sitting there staring at me in my bedroom, but I said, no, I'm gonna wait until I make the video. And now that I finally got the chance to do it, here I am. I'm gonna open it up now. Okay, guys, so excited. Okay, you guys ready? Guys, okay. Seriously, oh my gosh, I already see a bonus in here, something I didn't know I was gonna receive. First of all, I appreciate cute packaging. Ali totally killed it with this cute pink ribbon, along with the pink little package as well. Open this up and she has a little thank you card here. Of course, I'm all about supporting small businesses. So shout out to Budget with Ali. Okay. Oh my God, this, oh, let me just read this. Cute. Sally, congratulations on winning Brend's giveaway. I was so happy to be working with her. I hope you enjoy the cash envelopes that I made for you. Wishing you the best. Love, Ali. Aloha. And she was actually just here on Oahu on vacation visiting some family. So thank you, Ali, and Brenda. Thank you, Brenda. All right, so everyone, go and check out Budget with Ali. She's a budgeter, entrepreneur, and YouTuber. All her information is here on the back of her card, so go ahead and screenshot that. Oh my gosh, look, so stinking cute. Now this one was a bonus because I was told I was just getting 5 envelopes, which are right here. But this one I seen, it's a little folder. Basically, you can just slip it into your wallet or your purse for that little extra cash that you have on hand for yourself. I'm totally gonna use this, by the way. And then for the binder, I picked this beautiful pineapple design. And in the back, it's nice and sparkly gold. It's so pretty. And it's very durable. You can tell the paper quality is very thick. Cardstock. Actually, I feel like it's thicker than cardstock. It feels like cardboard almost. She gave me the option to label them and get hole punched, but I asked her to hold off on it because I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to use these folders for just yet. It fits perfectly. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be so cute. I might have to just hole punch them already. But look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. I am so in love. After this video, I'm gonna go and organize everything all over again. Forget the Amazon folders, I'm using these. So yes, they look like this. The back is nice and shiny. Go and check out Ali. Go and hold up her card here. Go and check out Budget with Ali. She does have a little small business where she makes these folders and she displays all the different designs on her Instagram page. Shoot her an email if you're interested. Thank you so much again, Brenda and Ali, for this wonderful prize. I'm super excited and I can't wait to turn off the camera and get it all organized. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Bye. Oh my gosh. Cut, cut, cut. Okay. Again, I'll hold up her card here.